We're going to show you how to create a story, make images, make videos, how to create a full 5-minute video on a Japanese anime cartoon, right? How do you create that from scratch using AI? So we're not going to do any of the work of writing a story, doing a character development. All of that will be outsourced to ChatGPT. We will give intelligent prompts, of course, and guide it along the way. And we will also do the same with images, and we will turn those images into videos. How do you create an anime series purely with AI? That's what we're going to see here today. So let's dive in. So the first thing that we had to do was create some good looking characters on Midjourney. So we went about it the opposite way. You can always start it with ChatGPT, ask it to give you characters. Our team at Rise of Conquerors had already made some images. So we thought, let us use those animated images, anime images from Midjourney and actually create a storyline out of that. So if you look at the images were prompted by Isha. What she did was she created these prompts. She gave this prompt: female dressed up in boho style wearing fashionable clothes with wings behind in Madoka Magica style. Did HD 8K and she got this out. We have actually put it on OpenSea as well as an NFT. So these are the characters that we chose. ChatGPT, I gave it this prompt that make up 4 names of anime girls generated by AI that will attract the most views and which have a deep meaning pertaining to the legends of anime art. This is what I asked it. So it actually gave me good, 4 names, and it gave me Serafina Loomis, for example, with the full meaning of the name, why they have named it like that, what are the characteristics of that person, right? Passionate spirit, signifies her role as bringer of light, a character destined to illuminate the darkness with her courage and creativity. She embodies the eternal flame of artistic inspiration. These were 4 female characters and 1 male character, Zenith Arcanum. I picked up all 5 of these descriptions and said, make a 10-episode series story with details based on the most popular Japanese anime using these characters. Do character development of some of the characters along the lines of Batman in Batman Begins, because I think his character development arc is really good. And then said that make sure that they have interesting character arcs, make it most exciting based on the highest viewed Japanese anime series. Add in more characters if necessary also. Though that was my prompt to it. It gave me a good outline. It gave me outline for a 10-episode series inspired by themes and story arcs of some of the most popular, highly rated Japanese anime. There you go. So it gave me all of this. It gave me the main characters. It gave me episodes, what happens in bullet points in those episodes. So Awakening, Winds of Freedom, these are episodes, right? And then it is pretty well laid out, right? So the overall story is like this, that initially you have an introduction to the world and characters. Then Serafina is kind of being made into one of the main characters. Serafina discovers her ability as an artisan, meets Aethria. Okay. Mysterious force threatens the world. Zenith appears with an air of secrecy. They seem to have made Zenith look like an evil force. Interesting. And this is a good first episode. Then it goes into Zenith's backstory. Aethria teaches Serafina about artisan abilities. Then you introduce Oriana. So there is a nice character development, right? Then you have resolution and aftermath or something like that. And then it has given me some cliffhanger hinting at the new episode. That's it. And it has picked up some themes and influences from, I think these are Japanese anime cartoons, right? Or series as they call it. Now what I said, of course, I can't use just these 3 bullet points, right? So I said, use this first episode and make me a 5-minute YouTube video on it with a full script, scenes, and make people talk to each other. So this is what I said here. Make a detailed story and script which can be put into a 5-minute YouTube video. Give the dialogues of the characters, scenes, and their prompts in AI generative art engines. Make it professional grade. Gave me quite a good one. Right? It gave me this, a tranquil village, and it gave me the scene. It gave me a narrator, what the narrator should say. It gave me Serafina's scene 2, Serafina's studio, scene 3, dining room. So it gave me the scenes, it gave me the dialogues between the people in the scene, and really good. So what's happening in this episode, I'll just quickly tell you. First they show the village where Serafina is, right? The village of Luminara. And then they say that Serafina is kind of doing some drawing in her artist studio. And she's kind of frustrated that, there's something missing in my work. She's not able to get the hang of it. She's like, why can't I capture this emotion? Pretty cool. The scene 3 is that her mom is saying that you've been working all night again. And Serafina is saying that I'm on the brink of something, mom. There's more to my art. I know it. She goes and meets a friend and Serafina tells her friend that she's been having dreams. Athrea's Clycad, who is her friend, who is actually saying these are not just dreams, Serafina. And Serafina is saying, who are you? Athrea is saying, I am Athrea Skyclad. Your art is awakening, and with it a destiny you never imagined. So it's actually built out such an amazing scene by scene, right? Oh wow. And it says, Athrea says, you are an artisan. You can breathe life into your creations. Oh, that's an interesting story. Serafina says that's impossible. Athrea says, let your heart guide your brush and see for yourself. Goes ahead. Wow, brilliant. Such a good first episode with scenes, with what's happening in the dialogue. And this is the power of ChatGPT with generative AI, right? Whether it's generating images, if you know how to prompt, you can actually get Japanese anime, which is a very professional piece of work that a lot of artists, a lot of designers, a lot of storytellers, copywriters, a lot of script writers would be doing. And all of that can be done by ourselves. So what did we do next? I headed back to Midjourney with a few prompts. First I was able to get this cozy artist studio. I prompted for this. Then I prompted for like the village as well, right? The idyllic village. And these prompts, by the way, I have not come up with. These are straight from ChatGPT. Maybe I might modify it a little bit. What is the prompt it's actually given me? Cozy artist studio filled with paintings, brushes, illuminated by a magical glow. It's pretty cool. Now what I did was I came here and let's see this. Cozy artist studio filled with paintings, brushes, illuminated by a magical glow. I didn't even put HD, 8K. Ideally we should, right? But this also has given me such beautiful images. The village I was not very thrilled with what the thing gave, so I might have prompted it again. But look at this. This is so well put together. Serafina's photo, put it in, and I think I took one more image of this space which I really liked, right? And I put them together as image references. So if you see this points to probably the girl, and this points to the studio. So I'm kind of saying that use these two images and give me an artistic girl painting in her beautiful room. It gave me these 4. I liked this one, which has come out really good, right? So this is going to be one of my scenes in my in the YouTube video that we are creating here at Rise of Conquerors. We'll create this whole series out. Then we came to the second scene, right? I tried to put what it gave me. I kind of changed the ChatGPT prompt a little bit more. I said, give me the full prompt, because it gave me only the scenes here. It didn't give me the scenes with the people in it. So I kind of said that give me prompts for each scene with the characters included in it. Make the images beautiful. I just give it some additional guidance. So it gave me this. I think I picked up this warm dining room filled with delicious homemade dishes, family pictures on the wall, and came out with this finally, right? And I think I've picked up this image, which should be Seraphine's mom, but it's not looking very old, but we'll just go with it for now. This is the next scene. Vibrant village where children are playing. Serafina walks with a friend. So oftentimes what happens is that it's not able to pick up multiple character scenes very easily. So what we'll have to do is, maybe we can use the zoom out feature here on Midjourney and see how it works. So basically, by clicking the zoom out feature, it will zoom out the frame, and because it's zooming out, it kind of gives it the ability to add in people, etc. Otherwise, it's a little difficult for ChatGPT to have multiple people in the same frame. That's a good shot, but her friend is missing, right? So we'll do that and we'll get back and show you how that worked out. So this is how we created images for each of the scenes, etc. Now, in the next episode, we're going to show you how did we create some of the challenging images where you had multiple characters, and how did we create a video out of it? How did we animate the images and not just have images of slides? All of that will come in the next episode. It's our endeavor to make sure that you learn the most that you can so that you can directly jump in and start playing with these AI tools. So definitely do subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.